back, everyone. A local group is working to give people in the tri-state a chance to improve their health while having a little fun, too. That's a nice 1-2 punch, isn't it? The Health Gap is hosting its annual expo on Saturday at Washington Park. And here to tell us more about what services and fun will be offered, we have Renee Mahaffey Harris, President and CEO of the Center for Closing the Health Gap. Thank you so much for being here today.
Well, thank you for having me.
I'll tell you what, if we can plan out weather for you that matches the last couple of days we've had, you are going to have a heck of a turnout in Washington Park.
Well, that will be a blessing.
Yeah.
That'll be a huge blessing.
Looks like it might line up for you, too. But for people who don't know what this expo is all about, and it's in its 16th year now, heading into 16th year, what are you trying to help make happen for the community?
Well, we're trying to make happen easy activation of how you can begin to address your health. Yeah. And the question that, and the statement that people make to us in our work daily is, I didn't realize there was something I could do about my own health. Yeah. And so at the Expo, we offer opportunity for free health information in a fun setting, fitness demonstrations from the gazebo.
Nice.
A children's area with activities around healthy eating, physical activity. This year, a Girl Scout troop is doing this really neat kind of activity where it's about self-care.
Oh, wow.
And teaching kids as well as adults, you know, those things that we don't feel crazy about ourselves, like, okay, we're going to write those down and we're going to shred them.
Wow.
And then they're going to talk about, like, what is that aspirational goal for you? And so that's an example. Wow, we have over 23 free health screenings.
That's, I mean, are
for
we talking
adults
about cholesterol,
and children,
blood pressure, that kind of thing?
A broad
okay.
array, and it is made possible because of our health organizations, from UC Health, Christ Hospital, to Mercy, to Children's Hospital, and many health organizations, including the Health Department and the Hamilton County Health Department, and just, it's a day that everyone comes together around health. From organizations to fraternities and sororities to schools. This year we're activating. It's all about activation. Take that one step when you leave the expo.
Well, so often I feel like people, you're worried about everybody else and you don't take time to think about yourself.
Right.
You can't take care of anybody else if you can't take care of yourself first.
Exactly.
I would imagine you have a lot of people who come out to the expo, like you say, who didn't realize that some of these services were even out there.
That, or the simple thing that they could do for themselves.
Yeah.
Knowing your numbers. Getting an annual exam, how you can do something to change what you're eating, knowing what the contents are of what you're drinking, from soft drinks to what you're eating, and how water can improve your health, because we need to replenish that water every day. Just a simple step we can take. And this year we've done something really fun. We've created a walking track through the park.
Oh, cool.
So it's a mile walk as you walk through the park 2 times.
Nice.
And then there are these mile markers throughout the park that have health tips for you. And it's being led by a football team from Princeton High School. So
very cool.
We're really excited that we're having kids involved, that we have adults involved, that this year's theme is Turn Up for Health. My daughter, when I told her that, she said, Mom, did you think of that? I'm like, no. No. But we had a group of young people from 18 to 30 who said, you know, our health is important, and we don't have to wait till we start feeling that ache after 35 or 40, right? But we can start doing things now to be, you know, to really have the best health and healthy lifestyles that we can have.
If people want to be involved, why don't you give me all the details? We'll get people out to Washington Park.
All right, so it's this Saturday, April 27th, from 10 to 5 p.m. Health screenings, fitness demonstrations, children's activities, music and entertainment. We have at 2 p.m. Tyshawn Coquette from The Voice. And then we have natural progression in the afternoon. And then we also have a hair symposium and self-care for Black women. So there's an array of activities for everyone. So health really begins with taking that one step for self-care, taking that one step to understand that your health is everything, right? Without your health, we're not here.
What do you got? Okay, then what we need is some good weather. Tara, I need you to give me some good weather for Saturday. Can we do that?